I'm at the Magic Village Yard in Kissimmee, Florida.
This gated community is just minutes from Disney.
Let me show you around.
I stayed here in the Magic Village Yards Townhome with 3 other travel writers. This was our dining area, and we had a full kitchen with all the utensils you could possibly need to cook meals. And this was our living area. At Magic Village Yards, you can relax in the comfort of a 3 or 4 bedroom, elegantly furnished townhome that can accommodate up to 8 guests. And this was our patio area. I enjoyed spending time out here in the evening. We had a full laundry and 4 bedrooms, and let me show you them. This is the first floor bedroom off the living room, and each bedroom had a full private bath. We also had a safe. I stayed in this king room on the 2nd floor. It had a private bath and a private balcony. As you left my room, the hallway overlooked the living room. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms were on the 2nd floor. They both had twin beds. All of the rooms were a fairly decent size. Magic Village Yards also has a restaurant, pool, and other services and facilities that you would expect at a resort. But you also have the comfort and privacy of a vacation home. Magic Village Yards is perfect for your next Florida vacation. Please subscribe to my channel.